It is just few days to elections next week on Tuesday. I would like the Minister of Mineral Development and Energy to update this Honorable House and Ugandans about the steps that government has taken to prepare for any emergency response.
As government of Uganda, please let us know how preparedness you are, because when Kenya coughs, Uganda always needs it. Taking from the experience of how much we've been caught unaware, with our reserves empty, with the tanks dilapidated.
Ekyokugamba nti Kenya egenda mu kalulu nti amafuta tujja kufuna ekizibu tekisoboka.
And we are also talking to some traders to use the Tanzanian route in case the Kenyan side is not possible.
But what I can assure the country in front of this camera is that the NRM government has the reserves to make this country run.
Ensuubira ekyo kyonna bakitugamba kutuweweeza mitima naye nga gamba zimembeera si nnungi.
Olwaleero tukimanyi bulungi nti reserves zetulina tezisobola kubeera nti ffenna tuyimiridde kuba ne twasemayo okumanya zaali njereere.
Ensonga y'amafuta tukimanyi bulungi nti ebaddewo ebbanga lyonna n'ekirabika gavumenti kagenderere okuwa essuubi bannayuganda.
All we need to do is to do our oversight role to go and check how ready we are as a country.